Good day everyone. I am Ruel Angelo P. Sinday and I'm presenting Agore, a church-centered mobile application designed to support spiritual growth and improve church coordination. Agore aims to bring Bible study, church update, and worship preparation and event participation into one organized and easy-to-use platform. The problem: many churches rely on disconnected tools. Bible app for reading, separate app for notes, messaging groups, and social media for announcement and printed bulletins for schedules. Because of information is scattered, members may miss updates, struggle to find official materials, and experience inconsistent communication. On the staff side, event registration and attendance are more often handled through paper forms or spreadsheets. This increase in coded time creates duplication entries and make reporting slow and difficult. The solution: Agore address these issues by integrating essential church workflows in one mobile app. Member can read Bible using multiple versions, search verses by topic, and save highlights and personal notes. Pastor can share encouragement posts and upload discipleship material and service lessons. Worship team can access weekly set list, song lyrics, and arrange chords to prepare ahead of time. For event, members can view schedules and register online, while staff can manage registration and track attendance more efficiently. Market opportunity: Agore is designed for small to mid local congregation that needs a practical and lightweight system. Many churches want to better digital coordination, but existing platform can be too complex and not aligned with local church workflows. Since some members already use smartphones daily, a mobile-first solution is realistic and easy to adopt. Agore can begin with one partner church, improve through feedback, and expand gradually through nearby congregation and ministry networks. The business model: Agore can follow a sustainable model that stays accessible to members while supporting church operations. Core features such as Bible reading, notes, and viewing church content can be available to users, while church-level features such as publishing controls, event management, attendance tracking, and expanded material storage can be offered through subscription. Optional, onboarding and setup support can also be provided to help churches adopt the system smoothly. The team: I am Roel Angelo P. Sinday and I will develop Agore end-to-end as the full-stack developer and UI UX designer, while also handling project management, development execution, and testing. Development will follow the structure plan based on the finalized requirements and approved system designs. The implementation will be modular, starting with the Bible and notes, then posts and materials, followed by worship features, and finally, events with registration and attendance tracking. Quality will be ensured through functional testing per modules and user feedback to keep the app accurate, clear, and easy to use. Call to action: to move Agore forward, I have already requested permission from my pastor to conduct future pilot testing with my mother church, Hilongos Assembly of God, in Hilongos, Leyte, once the app is ready for launch. This pilot will help validate either Agore can reduce scattered communication, improve access to church resources, and simplify event coordination in real church settings. If you would like to collaborate, share suggestion, or support the pilot testing, you may contact me at the email shown in the slide. Thank you for listening, everyone. Goodbye!